Hi, I'm seeming to have a problem with my truck. Whenever I put it into drive, it jars twice. And when I take it out of drive, it jars too. But if it goes into reverse, it doesn't jar as bad.
From neutral.
But here's a look from the underside of it. I'll hand you to my brother.
Yeah, I've looked at all the what do you call it? All the U-joints and everything on the drive shafts, and they're all tight. So not quite sure on that. It does it in 4-wheel drive and in 2. I have a feeling it's a transfer case, but not entirely sure. I'll show you the U-joints so that way you can see how the drive line's doing its deal. Put in drive. Reverse. Drive. Neutral. Park. Drive. Yeah, and it does it in, what do you call it? And is that in drive or is it going into first gear? Do it one more time with first gear. First gear. So it does it even when you put in the transmission into manual first. So I'm not quite sure. All right, if you guys got any suggestions or ideas, I'd really appreciate it, so I can fix my brother's truck. Thank you.